Hello kids, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Now today we are going to learn about colors. Okay? Now which color is this? Green color. Okay? Green color की है तो आपको ये स्टिक लेनी है और ग्रीन कलर में लगानी है. ठीक है? Om, come here. Which color is this, Om? Green color. Okay. Pick up the green sticks and stick here. वाओ, क्या बन गया हूँ? आइसक्रीम. डू यू लाइक आइसक्रीम? कौन सी आइसक्रीम बन गई? आपने खाई है ये? कच्चा मैंगो? यस, वेरी गुड. गो. कम रुई. रुई, विच कलर इज दिस? येलो कलर. ओके.
Good morning children, how are you? So today we are going to learn about the body parts. This is head, this is eyes, this is nose, this is hands, this is legs. So Rohan, come here and tell me, where is the eyes? Show me. Yes, very good. This is the eyes. Then Neha, come here. Show me, where is the hands? Oh, very good. This is the hands. Thank you.
Good morning children. How are you all? Fine, good. See what I have? I have a new game for you. See, what is this? Can you tell me? What I have drawn over here? Ice cream cone. Good, yes, these all are ice cream cones. And see what I have written on these ice cream cones? Can anyone tell me? Good. Numbers. I have written different numbers. Let us recite the numbers first. 2 number, 3 number, 4 number and 5 number. Very good. Now what we are going to do, listen. Now you have to first read this number and in mind you have to count. How many number? 2. So I have different circles here. Pink one and the yellow one. So what you have to do, if this is a 2 number, then you have to pick up 2 circles from here and arrange near 2 number. Okay, we will do? Okay, then who will come first? Yes, you come. Which number is this? 2. Very good. Then which color you want? Yellow. Okay, we will pick up the yellow circle. 1 and 2. We got the 2 circles? Yes, and we will arrange over here. Very good. Now, who will come? Who will come? Yes, you come. Now, select any one number. Okay, 4. You like the 4 number? Okay. Now, which color circle you want? Pink. Okay, then count the pink circle. Pick up the 4 number. You want to select the 4 number, so you have to count the 4 number and pick up the 4 circles. Okay? 1, 2, 3 and 4. You got the 4 circles. Now you have to arrange the 4 circles here near 4 number. Okay? Very good.